In this video, I wanted to talk about the impact success formula. Impact is an acronym, IMPACT. Each of those stand for a different word, different thing that you should be doing in your business to make it successful. And this works for any business, and it works especially well for print on demand. So let's go. Thanks for joining me on this video. My name is Juna with Detour Shirts. I've been designing and selling t-shirts online since 2005, and my channel is all about helping you to learn how to design and sell t-shirts online. If that's something you want to learn how to do, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right there. So in this video, I wanted to talk about some business success tips, and this is the impact success formula. IMPACT. Now each of those stand for a different word that you should be doing, different thing that you should be doing in your business. I'm going to break it all down, and I'm going to make it a free download on my downloads file. You're going to be able to print out something like this. We'll have all the things that we're going to talk about today. We're going to talk about each one individually, hopefully not take too long. I don't want this to be a super long video. But I'm going to go through each one of those 6 different things that you should be doing. Let's start with the I on what that means. So I stands for iterate. Iterate means to repeat. So you're going to want to repeat things over and over that are working, and the things that aren't working, don't do those again. But you're going to learn as you grow, right? You're going to create, you're going to refine, you're going to improve. That's the iterative process, right? So you might have heard this at your work or something when you have different iterations. The first iteration's something that is basic, and then the next iteration is something that's just a little bit better, and the next one's just a little bit better. So you're repeating the thing, but each time you're learning as you're repeating. So it's by this practicing and doing over and over that you'll get better and faster and learn things that are working. So iterate is really important. That's what the I stands for, and you'll continue to get better over time as you iterate, as you do things over and over. So the M stands for manage. Now when you think of manage, you might think of manager, and you might think that you need to manage people, but you can actually manage a lot of things if you're just a solopreneur, entrepreneur. If you're just by yourself, right? You're not managing different people. You could manage your time, you can manage your money, you can manage your assets. All of those things need to be managed in the business. So for example, you need to manage your time so that you can use it wisely. Make sure each time is spoken for. If you're getting up early in the morning, know what you're going to be doing for that time. If you have a 9 to 5, that makes it even more important to manage your time, because you need to know what you're going to be doing before work and after work. After your 9 to 5, you need to manage those times to make sure that you get things done. Managing your money, make sure you know where your ad spend is, or if you're buying fonts and things like that for the print on demand business. So managing is important in any business, more specifically for print on demand business, especially if you have a 9 to 5. So manage is really important, and this will help you save time and keep you focused. So the P stands for patience. Yes, you'll need patience when you're starting a brand new business. A lot of people think that it will be really quick to get started, but it's actually the opposite. It takes a long time to ramp up, especially when you're starting from zero, nothing. You see a lot of people on Instagram talking about, I made this much money, and that may make you think that you can do it really quickly, but in reality, it can take up to a year or more to get things going. A lot of first-time business owners take at least 2 to 3 years to get where they feel comfortable of doing something, right? So I've been in the business a long time, so you can't compare myself to yourself if you're just starting. Don't compare yourself to people who have been doing it for years thinking that you'll get there. I know we live in a time where everything's instant. We can do instant movies and, get food really quickly and things like that. Swipe here and swipe there. But business and growing your business takes time. It takes a long time, even in this kind of environment where things are done quickly. So be patient. Make sure you know what you're doing, and know that eventually you will get there, but it's just going to take a long time getting there. So give yourself a good 2-3 years and be realistic on what kind of goals you're going to set. A lot of people overestimate what they think they can do in a year, but underestimate what they will do in 10 years. So just give yourself some time and know that it may take longer than a year or it may take longer than what you're expecting. So the A stands for action. Action is super important in a business. You're gonna have to keep doing the things that need to get done to get towards your goals, right? So for in print on demand, that means uploading, that means designing. For your other business, you need to figure out what you need to do to get closer and closer to your goals. You're going to want to make a plan of what needs to get done and then chunk it up and make sure that you're doing something a little bit each day, a little bit each week that will get you closer and closer there. So the action part is like putting in the reps in a workout, right? You can't just do one workout a week or one workout a year and expect any progress. You're going to have to put in the work every day. So that's what this action is. You're putting in the reps, you're putting in the action, you're doing the work to do it to get to your goals. So action is super important. Make sure to take action every day to get closer and closer to your goals. So the C stands for consistency, and that goes along with the actions. So you need to be consistent in your actions, just like we talked about earlier. You need to do it over and over again. Make sure that you are consistent with it. A lot of people think that some businesses are passive income businesses, and they think that means that they can just do it once and then sit back and not do anything. There's not a lot of businesses like that. Print on demand is not one of them. You do make money in your sleep, but there's consistent work. You have to be consistently uploading. You have to take consistent action on different things. You have to consistently be designing. Same thing with other businesses, right? You're gonna have to consistently do things over and over again. So consistency is key. Don't think that you can just do it once and forget it. That is not how it works. You're going to have to do it over and over again, consistently over time. And that's exactly how the business grows. If you can, and just like a workout, right? If you can be consistent over time, you're going to see the results. Same thing with a business. You're going to have to be consistent, have consistency, keep doing those things that are working, but do it over time, and you'll see the results. And the last thing, T stands for time. So just like we said, you're gonna need to do action and consistently, and over time, give yourself some time to do it. So patience goes along with that as well. So this all works together, right? So time is your friend. Make sure to give yourself enough time to get things done. Allow sufficient time to get to your goals. You actually have more time than you think. So a lot of you may be in your early 20s or 30s. That's still a lot of time. And even me, I'm a lot older than most of you, but I still have a lot of time. We're going to live till we're very old, right? So make sure that you just be patient and allow yourself time to get these things going. Be patient with it. Make sure you do all those things that we talked about in this impact success formula. So here it is, the impact success formula, all the things that we talked about, all in a nice sheet here. You can take a screenshot right now, or you can go to my downloads page. I'll have a link in the description how to get this for free. You can print it up, but you can see each of those here are the things that we talked about. Make sure to do all those things to help yourself in this business. Whatever business it is, if it's print on demand or something else, I think this will work. So I like that this impact word means like we're giving it an impact, let's go impact. So real easy to remember. I love how all that works together. Just make sure to do these things, to iterate, to manage, have patience, take action, be consistent, have consistency over time, and you'll get to your goals. You'll get there eventually. So if you put enough of these things into practice every day, every week, over time, you'll get to your goals. And this will work for any business, and especially print on demand business. So hopefully this was really helpful for you. So if you want one like this, make sure to go to my downloads page on my Detour Shirts website, and you can download it absolutely free and use this to help your business grow and be successful. So that is it for this video. Hopefully this video is really helpful. If it gave you a lot of value, make sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to this channel already, make sure to hit that subscribe button right there. So before I leave, I wanted to leave with a question of the day. And the question of the day is related to this, and that is, what are some other things that you do to make your business successful? If I missed something, make sure to leave a comment right here. This may not be an exhaustive list, the impact success formula. I think it touches on a lot of different things that can help you be successful. But if there's something else that you think will help other people be successful, make sure to leave that in the comments. Love to hear it. Thanks again for watching, and if you want to see more videos like this, make sure to click on these videos right here. And as always, guys, keep creating and keep learning. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.